Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to teach you exactly and step by step how you can print two A5 pages on one A4 page in Microsoft Word really quickly. So drop a like now, let us get started. Head over to your document on Word you would like to print and start the printing process by clicking on File in the top left corner. After that, switch to the print section here on the left panel, and after that simply go through these settings and switch your format from A4 to A5, so I can find it here. After that, decide to or choose 2 pages per sheet by switching from 1 page per sheet to 2 pages per sheet here. And last but not least, click on that arrow down icon here again and select scale to paper size and set an A4 scaling here. So that is going to print your two A5 pages on an A4 page with one click of the mouse, and that's basically it, guys. Now you can click on print here to initiate the printing process, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.